The Old Secret of the Village. A young woman named Erica lived in a quiet village. She had a special power to talk to the wind. The wind taught Erica a lot about the history of her village and the surrounding nature. One day, the wind whispered to Erica, "Your village has an old secret. At the top of the northern mountain, there is a sacred stone that connects the relationship between the wind and man. Finding this stone will open up the future of the village." Erica was moved by the words and decided to travel to the northern mountains. The mountain road was rugged and occasional strong winds blew, but Erica followed the guidance of the wind and was able to move forward smoothly. When we reached the top of the mountain, we found a shining stone between the large rocks. At that moment, the wind swirled around her, and the power of the stone awakened. By touching this stone, you will be able to hear the sound of all the wind in the village. And the wind told me. Erica touched the sacred stone and was enveloped in a strong light. The whispers of the wind echoed in her heart, and it was conveyed that the villagers had unresolved problems and sorrows. Through the voice of the wind, she decided to find a way to help the people of the village. Erica returned to the village and used the knowledge she had gained to open up a new path with her friends. The people of the village believed in her and gradually grew up together and deepened their unity. With the help of the wind, Erica illuminated the future of the village. As time passed, Erica was honored by the village as the guardian of the wind, and her name was passed down with the wind. And the village continued to listen to the sound of the wind forever and nurtured the light of hope. At that time, a gentle wind always blew on the top of the mountain, and the story of Erica, who inherited that power, slept with the wind.